In this video, I'll demonstrate how to assign phone numbers to users in the Microsoft Teams Admin Center. To get started, open the Microsoft Teams Admin Center at admin.teams.microsoft.com. Select Voice, followed by Phone Numbers. This grid is a list of phone numbers available in your organization. If you don't have any phone numbers available, see our documentation to learn how to acquire them. If you have a big list of numbers, select Filter to show just phone numbers that are available for user assignment. Then select an unassigned phone number, followed by Edit. In this case, I want to assign this phone number to Adele Vance, so I'll search for and select her name. Also, an emergency location is required. Last, by default, Microsoft Teams will email users with information about new phone numbers. We recommend that you leave this on, but you can toggle it by selecting Email User with Phone Number Information. That's it. Select Apply to save your changes. The user will receive a notification, if you've left it turned on, and can then begin using the phone number after a few minutes. To learn more about using the Microsoft Teams Admin Center to assign phone numbers to users, see our documentation on Microsoft Docs.